Babe, I love you. And I don't want to ever leave you.
I love you. And I don't want to leave you too.
Babe, let's have a blood oath. Here and now.
Sure.
I love you. And I promise to always be by your side. I will never leave you alone. I will stand by you, fight for you till the end of time.
I love you, and I'll always stand by you to the end of our time.
I love you too.
Stand up, please. Stand up.
Babe, you know I love you. And it's barely a year since we had this blood oath. And now you're telling me you don't want me anymore.
See. I barely came out here just to hear from you. So if there's anything you have to say, say it. I already told you I don't want this relationship, and I don't care if we had a blood oath or something else before. Please, just go straight to the point.
Do you want to kill me? I cannot live my life without you. Please, babe. Leave me, please.
I already told you I don't want any more. Please, just make it snappy if you have anything to do.
If you don't want me anymore, no problem. But at least, let me have one last time, one chance of lovely sex with you.
One time.
Yes.
Just one time.
Just once.
And after this one time, we're going to cancel everything. We're not going to have anything together anymore.
I promise.
Okay. Let's make it snap.
Yeah, babe. So how was it?
Oh, why not?
Babe, considering what we were discussing, I know deep inside you, you still love me. Please, let's continue.
Stop.